Okay, so this is a question where we have to convert the equation of a line that is right now in point-slope form. So here's the slope, and here are the coordinates for the point. It's going to be +1 and -2. Okay, so this is in point-slope form, and I want you to convert it to slope y-intercept form. So how we do that, we have to get it into this form, y equals mx plus b. I have the m, but I don't have b, and that's the big difference between these two. I have a point and not the y-intercept. So it's really actually kind of easy. What you need to do is you need to basically manipulate. You need to multiply this all this out. So 3 is c multiplied by x minus 1. So you need to multiply that out and then get all the like terms together and y by itself on one side. So it looks like this. -3 times x. That's what we're going to do first. So let's leave this alone. And let's write -3x. That's what you get when you multiply that. Then we need to do -3 times -1. And that's going to be +3. That's our first step. You want to get rid of all the brackets. And then we want to get y all by itself. And so what I have to do is I have to now subtract 2 from both sides of the equation to get y all by itself. So that 2, a +2 and a -2 are going to totally cancel out. I'm going to rewrite y over here. See how I'm keeping my equal signs nice and in line there? This is good. This is showing very good work. I'm communicating what I'm doing by multiplying up here. I'm showing, hey, I'm getting rid of this 2 and keeping my equal signs in line. All this is really good. This is what I'm expecting from you, okay? And of course, working down. Don't work left to right. Work down. So the -3x doesn't change, but I can combine these as like terms, right? So 3 minus 2 is +1. Okay? So this is the equation of this same line that we were given in the different form, in the y equals mx plus b form. So I know now that my b is actually +1. That's the y-intercept. Okay? So for this second example here, it's very much like the first. I want to put this into slope y-intercept form, but the y is already isolated, so this is actually a little bit easier. I would ask you, a question I could ask you is to say, can you write this in point-slope form? What would you have to do to write this in point-slope form so it looks like kind of something like that? What would you have to do? Anybody? Well, we don't have anything else over here with the y. Instead, I have this number over here. So if you want to get this into point-slope form, you would bring that 3 over here. And it would look like this, right? Doesn't this look like point-slope form now? So that's how you can move this equation into point-slope form. But how do we put it into slope y-intercept form? Well, you do the exact same thing that we did above. So you multiply everything out. Multiply the 4 times the x and the -4 times the 1. And you get over here, you get y equals -4x minus 4. And then this +3 is still hanging out over there. Then you gather all the like terms. Well, I guess this and this can be combined. They're like terms. So you get -4x. -4 plus 3 is -1.